wife has never seen me make her mac and cheese recipe, so I'm not sure I can do it today.
I can do it. All I want is done.
Moment of truth. Let's see what she thinks.
The African mac and cheese recipe starts with shredded cheese, and it's best if you shred your own. Just shred your own cheese. Don't run the risk and buy the other cheese that they already placed potato starch in. It's gonna mess up your roux.
I have all the ingredients, so let's go over to the stove and we're ready to go.
So this recipe uses Monterey Jack, sharp cheddar, Parmesan, and mozzarella cheese. And now we're going to show you how we put it together. First of all, you got to make a roux, and the full recipe is written on my website. It is linked down below. So we're going to make a blonde roux. After we make the roux, then we're going to start by adding our liquids. Room temperature milk. You're going to whisk that in slowly. You know how it goes. You don't want any lumps, so we're just going to take our time. After you get the milk all worked in, now it's time to add the heavy whipping cream. And just the same, you want to put a little bit at a time and stir with your whisk, just so you don't have any clumps. Now it's time to start adding your cheese. Add your cheese a little bit at a time. I add my Parmesan cheese first because it is the hardest to melt. So you want to start melting that as soon as possible. And then the rest of the cheese, just add as you go. We are adding 2/3 of the total amount of cheese that we have because we're going to use the rest of the cheese for our toppings. We're adding in our seasonings, some garlic paste, a little bit of salt and pepper, and I like to use a good beef rub.
That's a lot better than I thought it was going to be. It's actually really good.
So what I'm doing here is mixing all my cheese together. Then I'm going to add my cooked pasta into the cheese sauce, and then we're going to mix that up. Now it's time to put your pans together. I'm going a layer of mac, then some cheese, then a layer of mac, and then we're going to add cheese on top. Put that in your oven, bake according to the instructions in the recipe, and you should have something looking like this.
I got the mac and cheese now.
Be sure to check for the recipe on my website. It is linked in the description below. Can't wait to hear your feedback. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Follow for more, y'all. Make sure you hit me up on all socials.